This is Morten from Inkish TV. We are here with Jim from CP Burg. CP Burg is a company that is out of Belgium. You told me, Jim, just outside Brussels. Good to see you.
Nice to see you.
And when I hear your accent, you're definitely not from Belgium.
I am not. I am from the Americas. Yes, actually, I am Jim Tressler. I'm the Executive Vice President of CP Burg Incorporated. CP Burg Incorporated is the Americas office based out of New Bedford, Massachusetts.
And only 26 years.
And only 26 years.
Yeah. And I mean, if you look at the 26 years you have been with CP Burg, it is just amazing how much the company has changed, right?
It has. You know, the evolution of the company has been amazing. The evolution of the industry has been amazing. And, you know, to have business partners like we have to allow us to continue to grow and evolve and adapt to this ever-changing industry is absolutely wonderful.
Yeah, because one thing is that, I mean, when a customer buy a machine like all the machines that you have here, for example, right? I mean, we think of the finished product, but think about all the technology that goes in to make it precisely as it's supposed to be, and the speed that you need to get to, because I mean, that has also increased a lot in the 26 years, right?
Speed has increased. You know, we've watched the workflow technology move from the pre-press to the bindery. And you know, I would have never thought in my career we would be talking about workflow in the bindery, but it has become a very big part of what we do in automating and looking at how we can improve a customer's workflow from conception of the product to the finished product out of the end of the device.
And I think I remember that you also partnered with Ultimate to get part of the bindery solutions from them, right?
We have. We've worked with Ultimate for many years in their Ultimate Bindery program, and really, and again, how that JDF can service us. We were an early adopter to that, and it's been fun to watch our customers become very successful with that.
The reason I mentioned this is just because, I mean, as you say, maybe 20 years ago, people didn't really think of how integrated software and workflow and the hardware like binding equipment has become over the years, right? So I think it's interesting to see where the next level is, right?
There's a lot of change. Again, automation is, you know, our friends at Ultimate might tell you.
I always say to Raymond that he should remember saying that.
He should, absolutely.
He does actually, so that's fine.
And absolutely, and our customers are really looking to us to be able to take those very complex tasks and break that down into, like we like to say, eat the elephant slowly. How do we break that down? How do we configure a solution that, again, adapts to today, but also looks to the future of what they can do potentially 3 to 5 years down as their workflow continues to change.
When I go at a show like Drupa here, there is quite a lot of binding equipment here. So also in the American market, how tough is the competition?
You know, competition is relevant, but what really is again changed or evolved with this is, you know, we really look at the customer's true needs, and we have a toolkit of products that allows us to adapt.
Yeah.
That's one size does not fit all is what we really like to look at, and the Burg companies have really been a modular manufacturer.
Yeah, because that is one of the things I like about this technology is that you can basically build it to purpose, right?
Correct. Yeah. The products integrate well together, and you buy what you're needing to make yourself and your solution profitable for you. And then you add to that, you accessorize it, you deploy other technologies or additional technologies that really, again, allow you to be profitable. And that's what I think is the biggest stand apart for us from the competition. We've been doing this since 1960. Christian founded the company. It's still a family-owned company. And really, again, our pride has been in how do we modularize the corporation? How do we modularize the product so that our customers can build what they need?
When you listen to your customers and check out the market, what are the biggest trends right now?
You know, it's interesting. We're seeing a lot of interesting changes within the industry. Books today are really the trend. You know, mastering that one-off book or that variable information personalized product has really been, you know, again, it's a passion for us. It's close to our product family. It's something that our customers are really, again, getting used to and evolving with. But that's been near and dear to our heart. Whether that's a book or a booklet, you know, that variable information, personalized, high-value page product is really where we are.
And that was, as I said to you before the camera turned on, when I saw when Canon Solutions America was part of one of our webinars, we saw an inline solution with the Canon inkjet series. So, I mean, it's also great to have these print OEMs as partners, I guess.
It's great. We learn so much. They bring so much value to us. It allows us to really interact with a client on a different level. as we understand now how their page production, and how that workflow comes to us, it allows us to design those complex systems with a great partner.
Fantastic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.